Agents of Keller Williams, now is the time to reach out to everybody that you know and share what's happening with our local real estate market. This is a snapshot of the residential real estate market for Pinellas County, and this is a focus on price for residential homes. In the last 2 years, the average home sale price of sold property has gone up over 26%. In fact, during this period of time, the average price went from $226 to $285. So if you know of anybody that's thinking of selling, this might be the very height of the height, the very peak of the actual market, and is now the time to talk about getting their home sold before we have any forbearance market impact values. So this might truly be the high of the high. Now, the biggest concern most sellers have is, where will I move to? There's so much competition in the market. You want to remind anyone that's selling their home that they're in the driver's seat when it comes to negotiations and the timeline of their sale. So if anyone's thinking of selling, now is the time, and you want to reach out and share this great information.